Hey everyone, xTool just sent over their newest machine, the F2 Ultra. This thing packs a 60 watt MOPA fiber laser and a 40 watt blue diode laser, all in one machine. This means more versatility, power, and speed than we've ever seen in a compact machine like this. They're launching it in two versions, one with just the MOPA fiber laser in it, and one with the dual lasers, MOPA fiber and 40 watt blue diode. I wanted to do a quick video for anyone thinking about maybe purchasing one of these. Think about this video as your chance to test drive this machine. Since I have the chance to have one in my shop before anyone else, it's my duty to answer your questions. So any questions that you might have, leave them in the comments. Tell me what you want me to do with this thing. How would you put it to the test? I'll compile all those questions and I'll do my best to find all the answers and share that in my next video. Right now, you can lock in the early bird pricing by putting down a $50 refundable deposit. The pricing will go up on July 9th. So if you're even thinking about it, hit the link in the description, or you can scan this code at the top of the screen to secure your spot. And before you go, here's a quick look at the official xTool demo reel so we can see some of the features that they've combined in this thing.